Are you on a ketogenic diet and looking to boost its fat-burning effects? Nature has some amazing herbs that can help. In this video, we'll reveal the top 7 herbs to enhance your keto journey. We will also discuss how to boost keto benefits with herb combinations. After we go into the topics of common mistakes when using herbs on keto, safety considerations, possible interactions and tracking herb benefits on keto. So watch the entire video since we cover a lot. The ketogenic diet is popular for its ability to make the body burn fat instead of carbs. Adding certain herbs can unlock the diet's full power. These herbs boost fat burning and help the body use ketones better. The herb-keto synergy comes from how herbs compounds work with the body's fat-burning processes. Many herbs have molecules that affect enzymes and pathways involved in fat burning and ketone production. This can make the ketogenic diet more effective, helping people reach their health goals faster. Some herbs are perfect for the ketogenic diet because of their special properties. They have antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and help with blood sugar. These make them great friends for those following the keto diet. Antioxidants are key in the keto journey. They fight off free radicals and oxidative stress from using more fat for energy. Herbs like rosemary and oregano are full of antioxidants. They protect cells and help keep you healthy. Herbs like turmeric and ginger are also important. They help reduce inflammation, which can be a problem when switching to ketosis. These herbs calm the body's inflammation, making the transition easier. Herbs that help with blood sugar control, like cinnamon, are also great. They keep blood sugar stable. This prevents energy crashes, mood swings, and other side effects that can happen on the keto diet. Let's start with turmeric. Its bright yellow color comes from curcumin, a compound that is key for fat burning. Studies show it boosts the body's fat-burning abilities. This leads to better weight loss and energy for those following a keto diet. To get the most from turmeric on a keto diet, the right amount and how you take it matters. It's best to use turmeric supplements with at least 95% curcumin. The recommended dose is 500 to 2000 milligrams daily, but it can vary. Cinnamon. Starting your keto journey means keeping blood sugar in check. Cinnamon, a versatile spice, can help a lot. It boosts insulin sensitivity and helps control blood sugar on the keto diet. Ceylon cinnamon is better than cassia for keto dieters. It has more cinnamaldehyde, which improves insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Adding Ceylon cinnamon to your keto meals and drinks can boost your metabolic health. Rosemary, an antioxidant powerhouse for keto success. Rosemary is great for your brain, thanks to carnosic acid. This antioxidant helps keep your mind sharp and protects against aging. It also helps make ketones, your body's main fuel in ketosis. Its unique taste goes well with meats, veggies, and fats. It makes any meal better and adds nutrients, boosting your health with antioxidants. Oregano, a digestive support during ketosis. Starting your keto journey means keeping your gut healthy. Oregano is a great helper for your digestive health. It has carvacrol, which fights off bad bacteria in your gut. It also helps good bacteria grow. This is key when you're on a keto diet, as it can upset your gut balance. Oregano also reduces inflammation in your gut. This can help with the stomach issues some people face when starting ketosis. Its antioxidants protect your gut from the changes in metabolism. You can add fresh oregano to your meals or use oregano oil. Ginger, a metabolism booster for keto benefits. Its compounds, gingerols, have thermogenic properties that increase fat burning. Inflammation is a big challenge for keto dieters. Ginger helps by reducing inflammation. Its gingerols support health and improve keto response. Try ginger tea, dressings, marinades, or add it to baked goods and smoothies. It adds flavor and boosts metabolism. Holy basil. It is for stress management and ketone levels. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, helps the body adapt to stress, which is key for keeping ketone levels right. Cortisol, our main stress hormone, can mess with ketosis if it gets too high. When we're stressed for a long time, our body goes into fight or flight. This makes cortisol more important than burning fat for energy. This can slow down the keto process and make it hard to reach the right metabolic state. Tulsi helps control cortisol regulation. By changing how the body handles stress, Tulsi helps use fat as the main energy source. By mixing certain herbs, you can make your keto diet even better. Learn how to mix herbs for the best results on your keto journey. For example, turmeric's curcumin gets a boost from black pepper. This combo makes curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects stronger. Herbs like ashwagandha and holy basil also work well together. They help manage stress and support ketone production. When and how you take herbal supplements matters a lot. It's best to take them before or with meals to help with nutrient absorption. This can also reduce stomach issues. Try different ways to take your herbs, like capsules, tinctures, or adding them to food. Find what works best for you. Now let's see some common mistakes when using herbs on keto. There are common mistakes to watch out for. Knowing these can help you use herbs right and avoid herb-diet interactions, dosage errors, and quality concerns. One big mistake is not checking if herbs work well with keto. Not all herbs help with ketosis and fat burning. If you don't check, you might mess up your ketone levels and miss out on keto's benefits. Another mistake is taking too much of herbal supplements. Some think more herbs are better, but this can be wrong. It's important to follow the right amount and listen to how your body reacts. Also, the quality of herbal products matters a lot. Bad or contaminated supplements can harm your health. Always choose high-quality, trusted brands to keep your keto diet safe and effective. Adding herbs to a ketogenic diet requires caution. Herbs, though natural, can interact with medicines or cause allergies. Knowing about herb medication interactions and signs of sensitivity is vital for a safe herbal keto journey. Herbs can have strong effects that might interact with medicines. For example, ginger, turmeric, and rosemary might affect blood thinners, raising bleeding risks. Always talk to a doctor before using herbs, if you're on any medicines. Some people might react to certain herbs. Signs include rashes, hives, stomach problems, headaches, or trouble breathing. If you have a bad reaction, stop using the herb and see a doctor. Start with small amounts of new herbs and watch how your body reacts. Being aware of safety issues and herb interactions helps you use herbs safely in your keto diet. Using the same herbs for everyone might not work best for you. To get the most out of your herbal keto plan, you need a personalized approach. Start by figuring out what you want to achieve. Do you want to burn fat better, control blood sugar, or tackle stress or inflammation? Knowing your health goals will help pick the right herbs for your keto life. After setting your goals, team up with a skilled herbalist or healthcare provider. They can create a personalized herbal keto protocol just for you. They'll guide you through keto-friendly herbs, finding the best ones and how to use them. This way, you get the most from combining herbs with the keto diet. It's key to track your ketone levels, blood lipids, and body shape. Checking your ketone levels regularly shows how herbs affect your ketosis. Also, watching your blood lipid levels helps see how herbs help your heart health on keto. Seeing changes in your body shape, like fat loss and muscle gain, shows how herbs and keto work together. Write down your ketone levels, blood lipid readings, and body measurements. Also, note any changes in energy, mood, and overall health. This detailed record helps you spot patterns, find the best herb mixes, and tweak your plan as needed. As the seasons change, it's time to adjust how you use seasonal herbs in your keto diet. Choosing herbs that match the climate can boost your keto lifestyle and the benefits of seasonal herbs. In the cold months, pick herbs that boost your immune system and fight off cold weather. Turmeric, ginger, and rosemary are great for keeping inflammation low and supporting your immune system. When it gets warmer, add herbs like basil, mint, and fennel to help your body adjust to the new climate considerations. Keeping your keto-friendly herbs fresh is key to getting the most health benefits. The right storage methods are essential for keeping these herbs potent. Whether it's turmeric or rosemary, knowing how to store them ensures you get the most out of their keto-boosting effects. For herbs to last, keep them dry and cool. Use airtight containers to keep them away from sunlight and moisture. This stops their active compounds from breaking down too soon. Choose glass jars or opaque containers for ground herbs and spices to block light. Whole herbs can stay fresh in the fridge or a cool, dark spot. As we wrap up our presentation, we hope you've learned some useful tips. You now see how herbs and the keto diet work together. Adding keto-friendly herbs to your daily life can bring many benefits, not just weight loss. Think of the herbal keto lifestyle as a long-term journey, not a quick fix. By creating a plan with herbs, watching your progress, and adjusting as needed, your keto path will stay strong. Alright, that is all for today. If you learned something new, please smash the like button and subscribe to our healthy eating channel for the upcoming new videos about keto diet and healthy eating tips. Thank you for watching.